This is a 5 kilos total electric roaster. Rotator features a manual control system on the machine, and cooler. Yeah, manual control system. This 3-motor machine has lit buttons for start, stop, and all the motors. Got a switch for the burner. Right here is a watt-low temp controller. Also on the side over here we have a little buzzer switch we can use to let us know when the roaster's done. To load the roaster is quite simple. Right here we have about 6 pounds of coffee. Put it in the hopper. And we pour a little slide out, drop coffee in. Get an airflow of about 50%. And a couple of pieces about the roaster is that we have an air temperature gauge on the side to give us an environmental temperature. We have a slide damper down here which allows for the cooling air to be pulled through the cooler instead of the roasting drum. This machine also has a stirring cooler. And it's kind of cooler discharge, real nice discharge rate on this machine. It's fabricated from up there. We'll go ahead and cut now. We'll come back and get some development. Okay. Now we've had the coffee in the roaster about 10 minutes. We're approaching 400 degrees. We're starting to get a nice brown color. Right here's some high grown Costa Rican. We're going to go ahead and go for about 420 degrees. There's a little noise you hear where a couple roasters running, but generally you can hear the beans crackle on these roasters quite easily. I've adjusted the airflow a couple of times to damper. Generally about this point in the roast, I open up a little bit more just to make sure I got all the chafe out of it. It is pretty common just on a 3 kilo we'll get a little bit of chafe in the cooler. How you get the chafe out of the cooler is nothing to worry about. Whenever you start to ready to drop the beans, you'll pull out the damper. You start the stir motor, and it'll just rush right on down the bottom, and that way it won't be caught in your beans. Okay? Check this again. We're about 412. A lot of people will use some type of roast timer. I've been using that one this time. The machine's really easy to access and clean. You got a little side panel right here for clean out. You have a clean out right up under here for sweeping out from underneath the cooler. This right here so you can take a look. I don't know if we'll be able to get the camera or not. It's kind of hard to get. You might be able to get them, just right. You see the little electric heating elements in there. Those heating elements are specially designed for us by Wattlow. We've been using them for about, I have to say, 6, 7 years, and we've never had one burn out. They have been totally great. We're going to keep inside the control panel. The control system. You notice right now, these right here are the heaters. The heaters kicked off if we reach roast temperature. We're about done. I'm going to turn them back on for a second and see what goes on. Turn up my heat in a little bit. Give them a second to kick on. I thought this was right. There they go. Here's the heaters are on. You can adjust the Wattlow controller so the heaters only stay on part of the time for doing smaller batches. That comes in the training with the roaster. So we're going to take a look at our roast now. Just about what we're looking for right there for a nice medium roast. We'll go ahead now and start the stirring. Push some old screw out of this. We'll get it in the coffee. We'll go ahead now. Take a little more work through here. Here's what I'm looking for right there. There we go. Those 5 pounds on our 3 kilos.